Hello everyone, this is Steven Holmes, and look, this is my chihuahua. Aww. He's so cute, isn't he? So please leave a comment if you like this chihuahua. Didn't you? Okay, I named him Hulk. I got him for my birthday. Yeah. Aww. Look, he's here. He's very hyper. He has yeah, he has a big appetite. Yeah. Bye. No, it isn't yet. So I want to tell you. That's the silly fella. He's cool. So I having enough. You might have another dog. He steals from my other dog so much. So much you are a robber. And if you like this video, that's what, and please leave a thumbs up. Look, he's cute, isn't he? Bye.